Hi friends, iTech here. In today's video, let us see how to connect Apple AirPods or AirPod Pro to Oculus Quest 2. Friends, I recently bought Oculus Quest 2 VR headset. If you missed to check out my unboxing and first impression video, then I will leave the link in the description below. To connect your AirPods to Oculus Quest 2, all you need to do is follow these simple steps. On your Oculus Quest 2, go to the settings and navigate to experimental features, and then look for the Bluetooth pairing option and click on pair button. After this, you will be able to see a list of devices around you. You can press and hold your pair button on your AirPods if your device is not detected. That's it guys. You can now enjoy a quality sound from your AirPods. Friends, I hope this video was useful for you. If you think so, please give it a like and share this video. Do let us know your opinions in the comment section below. Please subscribe to our iTech channel for more tech videos. Stay safe and thank you for watching iTech.